In this video, we'll show you how to unbox and set up your Dell Pro 7 rechargeable compact keyboard and mouse, KM746. To begin, tear off the seal, slide out the brown box, and open the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Dell KB746 Keyboard, Dell MS746 Mouse, the Dell Secure Link USB receiver, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and the Safety, Environmental, and Regulatory Information document. Before using the mouse, you must charge it. To charge the mouse, insert one end of the charging cable to the USB port on the mouse and the other end to the USB port on your computer. The low battery LED indicator on the mouse turns on and off. The mouse takes about 3 minutes to charge fully. When the mouse is fully charged, the low battery LED indicator remains white for 10 seconds and turns off. Turn the mouse over and pry open the base cover with your fingertip. Remove the USB receiver from the USB storage compartment. When the USB receiver is not in use, you can also store it in the USB receiver slot located at the back of the keyboard. Replace the base cover and snap it into place. Slide the power switch down to turn on the mouse. Before using the keyboard, you must charge it. To charge the keyboard, insert one end of the charging cable to the USB port on the keyboard and the other end to the USB port on your computer. The low battery LED indicator on the keyboard turns on and off. The keyboard takes about 5 minutes to charge fully. When the keyboard is fully charged, the low battery LED indicator remains white for 10 seconds and turns off. Slide the power switch towards the Win side to turn the keyboard on and enable a Windows layout. Alternatively, slide the power switch towards the Mac side to turn it on and enable a Mac layout. To adjust the keyboard height, open and extend the keyboard feet. Now you are ready to pair the keyboard and mouse with your computer using the USB receiver or Bluetooth. Both the keyboard and mouse share the same USB receiver. Connect the USB receiver to the USB port on your computer. Locate the connection mode button at the back of your mouse. Toggle the connection mode button until connection mode 1 turns on. Press the connection mode 1 key on the keyboard. The keyboard and mouse are now paired with your computer using the USB receiver. Now, you are ready to use the keyboard and mouse. You can also pair the keyboard and mouse with your computer using Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth settings window on your computer and turn on Bluetooth. Select the Show Notifications to connect using SwiftPair box. Toggle the connection mode button on the mouse until the connection mode 2 turns on. Press and hold the same button for 3 seconds. The connection mode light 2 starts blinking and the new Bluetooth mouse found window appears. Click Connect to confirm the pairing. Press and hold the connection mode 2 key on the keyboard until the key light starts blinking to initiate the Bluetooth pairing. The new Bluetooth keyboard found window appears. Click Connect to confirm the pairing. If the keyboard or mouse is not automatically detected by your device, click Add Device, Bluetooth, and then Dell MS746 to pair the mouse with your computer. Follow the same steps to add the keyboard. For the keyboard, click Dell KB746, type the number shown on screen, and press the Enter key. The keyboard is now paired with your computer. You can connect up to 2 devices with your keyboard and mouse using Bluetooth. Repeat the same steps using connection mode 3. Now, you are ready to use the keyboard and mouse. The mouse features textured side grips, a refined slope angle, and a scroll wheel with a center groove for comfort. You can press and hold a side button while moving the scroll wheel to enable horizontal scrolling. The mouse also comes with an adaptive scroll feature. You can flick the wheel to scroll more quickly. The compact keyboard consists of dual layout and low-profile keys, enabling a smooth and quiet typing experience. Press the F4 key for audio switch and F5 key for talk to text. Both the keyboard and mouse have turbo charging capabilities. A 5-second charge can power both devices for a day. On Windows computers, you can customize the keyboard and mouse using Dell Display and Peripheral Manager. To download and install the latest version, go to dell.com/support/DDPM and follow the on-screen instructions. The user interface may vary with different software versions. You can assign actions to the F1 to F9 function keys and the home and page up and page down keys. Additionally, the app enables you to adjust the cursor speed from 400 to 6000 dpi in intervals of 50. You can also configure the mouse polling rate and the horizontal scroll direction with the app, and assign actions to the scroll wheel and side buttons of the mouse. For more information about the Dell Pro 7 rechargeable compact keyboard and mouse, go to dell.com/support.